All right, so we've got our ECU flash done by More Mafia for the 2024 ZX10R. We've got the catback system, which completely removes the exhaust valve, the O2 sensors, the catalytic converter, all that shit's gone. So we've just got the Leo Vinci decat with a little resonator can down there to keep it from being too obnoxious, and then a little stubby GP style can. I believe that's the LV-10. So we got that. ECU's all flashed, tuned, everything ready to go. Just did an oil change with the Motul, the good stuff, the red stuff. So let's go ahead and fire it up and see how it sounds. That sounds really good. It's got a nice tone to it. It's not too raspy. It's going to be loud. No question about that. And I don't have the pops and bangs tunes because I think they're just stupid, but apparently there will be a little bit of popping on D-cell, at least when it's first started up and it's in its auto-richening, you know, basically an electronic choke. But that's it. I need to wipe out a little bit of WD-40 that worked its way out. These are a really, really tight fit. I was having trouble. I tried spitting on it and jamming it in. It just wasn't working. So I tried a little lube with WD-40, and it was able to finally get it all together. They're different colors because that was on there with the stock muffler. So that's had a couple heat cycles. This will heat cycle to that, and they'll match after a few rides. So there you have it. Nice mellow sound. Dropped probably 9 or 10 pounds off the weight of the bike at least. And maybe pick up a little bit of power. We're somewhere up 187, 188, 189 at the wheel. So plenty of horsepower. And the only thing left I got to do is throw in a BMC street filter for the airbox, and that is it.